When you first started this class, one of the first steps, in fact, step number 1, was how to set up a Google account. In that Google account, you gave me sharing rights, you gave me editing rights, and so everything you save goes into that account, into that folder that you created, and we should have no problems. But what I'm going to talk about now is how to submit statements or submit assignments. I've got a written information there, but just in case you still don't know how to do it, you can watch this video. So I'm going to click on that assignment. It says how to submit an assignment, and it gives you the information. I'm going to back up here. And I'm going to actually complete the practice assignment. There are 2 practice assignments that I need to have you do before you go on, so you know how to submit assignments. So step 6 is complete a practice assignment. You will go in and you'll see a practice assignment. It gives you some instructions here. But you know that and then it has you in the bottom, you're going to be answering some questions. So you're going to be using this document. It's a document I created in Google, and you're going to be putting your answers on it, but you're going to submit it to me. It won't let you submit any answers right now because you don't have the editing rights to it. So the first thing you need to do is you need to go to File, and you need to make a copy. What comes up now is it says copy of practice assignment for Google Docs. You can go ahead and take out the copy of, and have your practice assignment for Google Docs. Now the folder where you save it is very important. Now it says my drive, so if I saved it there, it's just going to go right to my drive, and you wouldn't have any rights. So I need to click on it, and I need to click on my drive, and I need to find the folder I want to save it in. If you're in my Intro to Business class, you'd save it in that course. If you're in my Personal Finance class, you've created a folder that says Personal Finance. So whatever folder you created for the class you're in, you're going to click on it, select, and that's where it's going to save, and OK. You're going to be able to complete the document. Answer your questions. You'll be able to say, where are you at the moment? And you will be able to answer your questions. It's really nice if you would be able to do it in a different font or a different color so the answers are more obvious. If you don't, it's okay. But notice here, if you just type it away, it's going to be in the same font, and sometimes it's kind of hard to see. When you're finished, you can go into Share and choose Advanced. Change this to anyone with a link. So anyone with a link can look at it. And Darlene Limer at gmail.com can edit. Now, if you always put it in that folder, you shouldn't even have to do this. It should do it automatically. But just to double check to make sure that I can get, because nothing more frustrating than you turn something in and I can't read it. So you would go to anyone who has a link can view, and me, Darlene Limer at Gmail, can edit. And then go ahead and send. Okay, this link right here, this is the link to share, and you see it's blue. So go ahead and copy that, however you copy on your computer. I do a Control-C. If you're using an Apple computer, you do something else. But whatever you do to copy that, copy it, and then go back to your assignment. Right here. This is your assignment that you did. This is the practice assignment. You're going to add your submission. You get a text box right here, online text. You would go ahead and paste. I didn't copy that because I didn't want to mess up anybody else's assignment when I'm in as a student. But if I had copied that link, that blue link that from before, if I had copied it, I would go ahead and paste it here. So Control-V or paste or whatever you do to paste. So right here should be a link. It's an HTTP URL address. Save changes. I will be alerted that you sent in your assignment. I will be able to go in. I will be able to click on that link, and I will be able to see and edit your assignment. Okay, that's exactly how you need to do submit assignments. Now I'm going to go on to the next one. The next assignment, which is step 7. In step 7, it says complete another practice assignments. Sometimes you are asked to complete an assignment and there's nothing there. There's nothing to click on here. There's nothing I've created. So what you will do is you will go into your Drive. Get out of all this. Get into your Drive folder, and you want to create new. And you want to create a new Google Doc, or it could be slideshow, or it could be spreadsheets, but we're going to do a new doc. You will change it. You will type whatever you need to type. And then you will share it. Go to Advanced. Change this to anyone with a link. And put invite me to edit it. Make sure this is highlighted. Go ahead and copy it, and then go back to your assignment and paste it. So sometimes you'll be doing new documents, and sometimes you'll be doing old documents. So we'll go back. We'll go back to step 7. We will add submission. You will go to your online text, and you will copy then the URL you copied from that assignment. So you're always giving me a URL for a submission for an assignment. Now, make sure that that assignment is saved in your personal finance folder. If it's not, you can go ahead and move it into your personal finance folder, but you need to have everything in your personal finance folder. If you have any more questions, give me a an email. I'll see if I can help you out.